Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on implementing real-time drag-and-drop file upload in React. Imagine a world where uploading files to your web application is as simple as dragging and dropping them into a designated area. This feature isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer for user experience. In this video, you'll learn how to create this intuitive functionality using React, enhancing your application's interactivity and appeal. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand the core concepts, see practical examples, and be able to apply these skills in real-world scenarios like content management systems, cloud storage, and e-commerce platforms. If you're ready to elevate your React skills and deliver cutting-edge features, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials and stay ahead in the fast-paced world of web development. Let's dive into the theory behind real-time drag-and-drop file uploads in React. At the heart of this feature is the drag-and-drop API, a powerful tool that allows users to move files directly from their file system into your application. This API works seamlessly with the File API, which provides the means to access file details and handle them appropriately once they're within your app. In React, the key to managing these operations is state management. By utilizing React's state management capabilities, you can track the status of file uploads and provide real-time feedback to users through progress indicators and notifications. This not only enhances user engagement, but also ensures a smooth, interactive experience. To address various learning styles, consider the drag-and-drop API as the tactile component, where users physically move files, while state management represents the cognitive process of organizing and handling data. This blend of hands-on interaction and conceptual understanding is what makes this feature so effective and engaging. Now that we understand the theory, let's look at a practical example of implementing this feature in React. We'll focus on the file src drag and drop.js, which is central to capturing drag events and processing files. Inside this file, we define a styled component, drop area, using styled components to create a visually distinct area for file uploads. The component listens for drop and drag over events. The handle drop function, triggered on a drop event, prevents the default browser behavior, extracts the files from the event, and passes them to the parent component through the onFilesAdded callback. This setup ensures that files are seamlessly added to the application state, allowing for real-time display and updates. By experimenting with this code, you can adapt and expand its functionality, such as adding file validation or customizing the drop area's appearance. Let's see this feature in action. Imagine visiting a web page designed for file uploads. Upon arrival, the main heading React Drag and Drop File Upload confirms you're in the right place. You then notice a clearly marked area inviting you to drag and drop files or click to select them. As you drag a file over this area, the visual feedback reassures you that dropping the file will initiate the upload. Once you release the file, it appears in a list, demonstrating successful processing and integration. This seamless interaction showcases the real-time aspect of file uploads, providing users with immediate confirmation and feedback. This level of interactivity not only improves user satisfaction, but also sets a high standard for web application usability. In this tutorial, we've explored the implementation of real-time drag-and-drop file uploads in React, a feature that significantly enhances user experience by making file management as intuitive as possible. By combining the power of React, the drag-and-drop API, and effective state management, we've created a dynamic, user-friendly component that can be integrated into various applications. We encourage you to take this example further. Experiment with the code, add new features, and share your creations with the community. If you found this tutorial valuable, consider subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to more tutorials that provide concrete examples and practical insights, accelerating your learning and keeping you at the forefront of web development trends. Thank you for watching and happy coding.